Hello my friend, hope you're fine. In this video, I would like to talk about the commonly used redirection operators. We can use it on Linux. So the first operator is the superior sign or the greater than, like this. So we can use this operator to redirect the standard output to a specified file. So for example, if I want to type cat /etc pass wd like this. As you can see here, I have the standard output. To redirect this standard output to a specified file, I want to use the superior sign like this, and then if the file doesn't exist, I can't create, for example, test.txt. And this method, I can use it to redirect the standard output to the specified file. And now if I cat the test.txt like this, I can see here inside the test.txt all the information uh, captured from the specified file. So the /etc/passwd. So if file exists, so if I already the test.txt file exists, by using the superior sign, I can overwrite it. So if doesn't exist, I can create it. So I want to show you another example how I can overwrite it. So echo hello. I want to choose the same operator, the greater than or the superior sign. So I want to choose the same name of the file, specified file, test.txt. And now, if I cat test.txt, as you can see, I overwrite all information already saved in the test.txt and I add the hello. So to avoid this error or the overwrite, I can use double greater than or double or two times the superior sign like this to redirect the std out to a specified file. So if file exists like test.txt already exists, I append to it. If doesn't exist, I can create it. So now I want to choose type this command, hello everyone, two times the superior sign, and I want to choose the test.txt already created. And now, of course, by using two times the superior sign, I can't overwrite it, but I want to append to it. So like this. And now if I cat test.txt like this, as you can see, I can see the first information added to the test.txt, it's hello. And then, as you can see, the second information, hello everyone, that I have added by typing echo hello everyone, two times the superior sign test.txt. So now I have shown you how we can redirect the std out, and now we have also the standard error or std error. So for example, if I type ls then test like this or toto, a file doesn't exist, so I have an error here. So ls point cannot access toto, no such file or directory. So to redirect this error to a specified file, I have to just type ls toto and then 2 and then greater than or superior sign. So if file exists, I can overwrite it. If it doesn't exist, I want to create it. So I want to create error point txt like this. So if I cat error like this, as you can see, I can see the error ls cannot access to no such file or directory. So by using two greater than or to a superior sign, I can redirect the standard error to a specified file. If the error .txt or error .txt already exists, I can append to it. So by using ls tt this time, like this, two greater than two times like this, and I want to use error point txt. So by using the two greater than, I want to append to the error point txt like this. So if I cat error, so I have append or I have added a new line, a new information of error ls cannot access tt no such file or directory. So, and now I want to clear my screen like this. If I want to redirect the standard output and standard error to a specified file, so I just have to use this and sign and superior sign or greater than like this. So this like this. I want, for example, echo hello everybody like this. And then, for example, I want to redirect them to a new file toto.txt like this. And now cat toto, as you can see. And the same, because I have this sign, so and greater than, I can also redirect the error to the specified file toto.txt. So I want to just erase this part of line. I want to ls tt like this. So ls tt generate an error. So by using and greater than, so another greater than, to not overwrite, just to append to the toto.txt like this. And now cat toto. As you can see, I can see a simple information like or normal information, standard output, hello everybody, and I can see in the same file the error information or the standard error. So the last thing I want to show you is how to redirect the standard input from specified file into command. So for example, grep ec2, for example, and now the smaller than, I want to use this sign, inferior sign or smaller than, and then I want to choose a file like this. So as you can see, I want by using the smaller than or inferior sign, I can redirect the standard input from specified file, so specified here, /etc/passwd to into command. So the command is grep ec2. Or another thing, I can, for example, less like this /etc/passwd like this. So that's it for this video. Hope you are enjoying. and thank you for watching, and see you in the next lecture.